This is the 7 trumpets. These trumpets will be blown by the angels. So let's have an eagle view. So trumpets blown by angels. So you can just make cones like that. 7 cones like. This is the scroll. These are 2 witnesses. So now let's have a look at each. So when the first trumpet is blown, hail and fire, 1/3 of the trees burned, green grass burned. Thereafter, when the second trumpet is blown, here, 1/3 of sea blood, 1/3 of ships and sea life destroyed. Then when the third trumpet is blown, great star named Wormwood fell from heaven. 1/3 of waters turned bitter and many died. Then when the fourth trumpet is blown, one-third of sun, moon and stars were struck and were darkened. After that, fifth trumpet is blown. Bottomless pit opened. Locust came upon earth to torment men for 5 months. And men will seek death, but they will not find it. When the sixth trumpet is blown, four angels released to kill 1/3 of mankind and 200 million man army. His face was like a lion, back, tail like a snake, body like a horse. So that horrible it is. Now, before the 7th trumpet is blown, there would be 2 things that would be happening. You can see the scroll. Voice heard by John from heaven to eat the little book from the hands of the angel. The scroll was sweet as honey in the mouth, but it was bitter in the stomach. 2 witnesses were sent by God to prophesy for 1260 days. They were slain by people and where their body lied on the streets for 3.5 days. After 3.5 days, they resurrected from the streets. When they died, their body was on the streets. People were laughing over them. People were laughing over their body, and it was on the streets. But after 3.5 days, it was resurrected, and people started sending gifts to each other. They were rejoicing. And that same hour when they got resurrected, there was a great earthquake, and 1/3 of the city fell. Then the 7th trumpet is blown. The kingdom of God declared. 24 elders fell on their faces and worshipped God. Temple of God open in heaven, and there were lightnings, noise, thunders, earthquakes and hailstones. So that's all about the 7 trumpets from the book of Revelation. This is an easy way for kids to understand the 7 trumpets.